We are in Paris.
Prochain arrêt, terminal 2E, porte L. Assurez-vous de ne pas oublier vos bagages.
Next stop, terminal 2E.
I'm very hot, but it's actually cold here, so I have my North Face, got my gloves, got my scarf. It's been a journey already, but we are on our way to finding where the train lies. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Where can I find the train, the rare V?
Wait on the left.
On the left. Merci. I'm trying to decide if I should get some money out. So we're going to put my bags away. We're gonna put my bag in like a storage, and then I'm gonna take the train to the city and explore. Let go.
Close your eyes to get away. Just make my mind and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless. Yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Alright, y'all. I had to show y'all real quick. I'm fucking lost. My hair looks crazy because this damn scarf. Let me get right, but I'm lost. I don't know where I am. Well, I know I'm in Paris, but I just got off at this stop because I'm like, I feel like I'm going the wrong way. Like, I feel like I'm going further from Paris, and I'm fucking lost. I'm just trying to get to the Eiffel Tower. I did not know it was gonna be this hard, and I'm not trying to like get frustrated because I have time. Time is on my side, but time is of the essence. This is the train I was taking, and I thought I got off at the right stop and everything, and it said I was like 35 minutes away. So I talked to a girl and she helped me, and that's what made me get on this train. But now I think she kind of led me a little astray. But I was gonna ask him, but work here. I just need help. Like, I just need someone to guide me. I'm trying not to even curse right now. Let me just find somebody who works here and get some help, because this ain't it. This ain't it. Alright, y'all. This is a bit stressful, but again, I'm not letting it overwhelm me, or, well, it is overwhelming, I can't deny that, but I'm not letting it upset me because I'm on vacation. This is an experience. I've never been here before. I'm in freaking Paris. I don't even feel like I'm in Paris right now. It's kind of surreal still. So like, I'm just really just soaking it, everything in, you know. Everything will be a memory. Everything will be a story to tell. These apartments right here are really nice. I keep looking at them right there. Those are really nice. I've seen some old apartments on the train, and I've seen some newer ones, so I'm excited to get closer to like the Eiffel Tower and see those buildings. We know where we're going. We know where we're headed. So I'm about to make my way to the Eiffel Tower. It is now, it's probably 12 o'clock. It is 12. It's 12 o'clock. And I'll get to the Eiffel Tower at like 12:35ish, which is perfect. I only need about 30 minutes there anyways, probably not even all that. Like, I'm the type of person when it comes to like sightseeing and monuments and stuff like that, like I don't have to stay there for hours, or I don't have to know all the history behind it. I just kind of want to see it, get my photo, learn a little bit, wow, soak it in, and keep it pushing. Yeah, I'm in Paris. I will say one thing already that I've noticed about Paris, Parisians, they are very to themselves, similar to New Yorkers. Especially when we taking the subway, which the subway is actually, the train is on its way right now. Very much to themselves, very much get in where you fit in. Not really rude, but it's just like people are just trying to get to where they're going. So yeah, let's make this train. Y'all, we made it. We made it to Tower Eiffel. Eiffel Tower. We are here. Oh my God, I've never smelled a subway that smelled that good, G. That subway smells so good. We're in Paris. We're in Paris. Yes. Let's see. We're in Paris. Oh my gosh. This is a bit surreal. It's a bit surreal. Like they got a magic trick thing going on here. Oh, you put money. Oh, of course there's no photos because it's a scam. Oh, somebody else.
100.
They just gave $100 for that game. All right, let's get a little closer to the Eiffel, and I'll be back. Bonjour, me appelle Morgan. The Eiffel Tower. We made it. He's so epic for real. Alright, this is my exit. This is my stop, rather. Every seat I get up from, I look to make sure there's nothing behind me, because the idea of leaving my phone, the idea of leaving anything is terrifying to me. Ooh, this is terrifying. This shit's scary as heck. That's scary. It's so dark. Am I going the right way? It's scary. Ain't nobody walking this way. I don't know. Let me get my little ticket. Got my ticket. Let's see. Ooh, nope. Oh, I'm tweaking. Vas-y. Merci beaucoup. Put that right back where I found it. But this has really just been an amazing experience. Getting lost and everything, you know. I'm a firm believer. I truly do live by the saying that everything happens for a reason. Me getting lost. Thought he was talking to me. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so beautiful. Paris is so beautiful. I really truly say all that to say, like, I'm taking every single moment and just soaking it in, because this is an amazing experience. I was gonna say once in a lifetime, and it is. For me, it's not though, because if I want to come back here, I will be back here. But this is a beautiful experience, and I'm just grateful, you know. I am just so grateful. I'm putting in my directions in my phone. I'm about to meet my brother's line brother, or I don't think he's his line brother, but his frat bro. He's in Paris right now, and so I'm about to meet him at this cafe at this hotel called St. James. So we're about to walk there. It's an 8-minute walk. So I just got off. I left Eiffel Tower. I got back on the train to stop here, which is the stop was Avenue Foch. I don't know how to pronounce these words. I'm learning though. And then I'm walking 7 minutes to the place. Paris is definitely a place where, you know, you're walking, you're riding bikes, maybe not in this weather, but you're walking for sure. I don't mind it though. The weather's actually really nice. Okay, I'm tweaking. The weather is not really nice. It's not really nice, but it's nice. It's much nicer than I thought it was gonna be. I was in a big dilemma, I felt like, because I'm like, oh my God, like, I gotta take my big old teddy bear coat. Oh, a rooster. I have like ADHD or something, bro. What can I do? I don't got nothing for you. Ooh, hell no. Hell no. What the fuck? What the fuck? Y'all, he literally just got in my route like, no, I think I'm gonna go. I'm trying to take a picture on my phone. Oh, that's insane. That's really scary. I'm gonna cross the street. I do not do birds because I don't do beaks. Alrighty, I'm still recording. Okay, so back on route. That was fucking scary though. I guess that's normal, but I don't think that he was supposed to leave. Like, I don't think that that rooster is supposed to leave the gate that it was just behind. So, oh, he's right here. He found him some food. He said, you know what? Y'all not gonna give me nothing, I'm gonna find it. That's scary. Okay, maybe it's not normal. Or maybe it is, because they're getting close to it. Okay. That ain't normal for me. That ain't normal for me. So with that being said, we're gonna keep on trucking it. We 6 minutes away, and I will take y'all with me, of course. And once we get there, I'm gonna pull y'all back out. Period.
I'm outside and it. Two-time, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, gotta watch your time, 'cause it's flying right. Two-time, baby girl, you know
Alrighty, just checking back in with y'all. Shit. I can't lie. I am tired. Like, big tired. I am. My body has caught up to me. And truly, I really just need to sit my ass down and take a nap. But I am, you know, just trying to make the most of my last few hours in Paris. And so I'm now in this like shopping district area. About to head to some thrift stores, hoping, you know, I find something really nice. I think this is the store I'm looking for right here. This is like a thrift store for sure, yeah. All right, let's go in here. Let's check this bad boy out. I'm proud of myself. I can go home right now. Well, not home, but I can leave right now and be okay. Excuse me.
Sorry.
Excuse me. Ooh, this is cute. This broke. This is broke more, but not for $60. This dress is cute, but not for $60. They're wildin'. That's more like $15. Your girl is exhausted. But you can't say that I did not make the most. You cannot say that I did not make the most of this trip, of this layover, okay?
Slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one long distance. I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose.